You know those zooms? These ones? Like that? Let's make that. Now there's two ways we can use this. Way one you see in a lot of YouTube videos when they're making a point or being dramatic. The second are the TikTok-styled rapid zoom. Let's tackle way one first. With our clip selected, cut off the area that you want the zoom to happen from. Then add the transform effect to it. This will allow us to get the motion blur effect. In the transform window, turn off use compositions shutter and whack up the manual shutter angle. The higher it is, the more motion blur we get. Now we'll keyframe the scale, and we can add an easy ease on this too if we like. Except that's not very focused on the point. Let's fix that. First, let's make our scale more dynamic by opening out the parameters and dragging out the anchors. Remember, long is slow, short is fast. Alright, let's make sure it focuses near her head by keyframing the position, moving the position after the zoom has happened. And if we take a look now, kind of got a tiny bit of jagged movement, but we can cure this by adding easy ease and then opening up our parameters. But before we do, if we notice where the anchors are on our scale, that's what we're going to repeat on our position. So if this one's about here, let's open our position and move that in about the same distance. Let's do the same for the end half too. Much better. Now for the viral zoom effect. For this example, we've got a few videos lined up, except we're not going to zoom on every individual one. We're going to work smarter, not harder. Make an adjustment layer. Make that fit your first frame. And on the adjustment, we're going to add the transform effect. Let's scale the scale to grow larger by the end. Add an easy ease to it. Turn off composition shutter, throw up the shutter angle. And then all we have to do is duplicate our adjustment layer. But if you find that your subject isn't in focus, we can fix that by animating the transform position as well. Let's go to the position here, go to the scale of the end, and let's just move it down to our subjects in view. Let's put the easy ease on that and make sure that it's the same timing as the scale below. And we can do that for anything where maybe we're losing the main focal point of our subject. Very nice. Was that zoomy enough for you? If you're ready for even more tips, I'll see you in the next one.